Dear students, today we are going to discuss a question at the topic rhyoptics. The question is, consider the situation in figure. The bottom of the pot is a reflective plane mirror. S is a small fish and it is a human eye. Refractive index of water is mu. The question is, at what distance from itself will the fish see the image of the eye? And the second question is, at what distance from itself will the eye see the image of the fish? In first case, observer is a fish. A fish can see two images of the human eye, one in direct observation and another is from reflection. First we have to consider the direct observation. For that, position of the fish is at h/2 from the reflective surface. Therefore, water surface is at a height h/2 from the fish. The position of the human eye T is at a height h from the water surface. Here observer is a fish and it is in the denser medium. We know when observed from a denser medium, the apparent depth of a rarer medium is greater than the actual depth. Here from the water surface, real depth of the human eye is h, but for the fish, the apparent depth of the rarer medium is equal to refractive index mu into actual height h. Therefore, the fish observes the image of the human eye above its actual position, and it can be represented as T dash, and T dash is at a height mu h from the water surface. Therefore, the distance of the image in direct observation means light from the human eye after refraction observed by the fish. Therefore, distance T dash as we have to find out. From T dash to water surface mu h, therefore apparent position of the human eye from the fish y is equal to s T dash. From s to water surface h/2, we can take the actual depth of this because observer is in the denser medium, h/2 plus then the apparent depth of the air mu h. This is the apparent position of the human eye from the fish in direct observation. Okay. Then we have to find out the image position of the human eye after reflection. For that, the distances are shown. Here also observer is in denser medium. Therefore, as we mentioned earlier, we have to find out the apparent position of the human eye from the reflective surface. For that, human eye is at a height h from the water surface. We have to take the apparent depth of this one, that is T dash. As we already mentioned, the apparent depth of the rarer medium, the refractive index 1, when observed in a denser medium of refractive index mu is mu into h. Therefore, apparent position of the human eye above the water surface is mu h. this t dash is the object of the plane mirror. Therefore, object distance or apparent position of object from the plane mirror or reflective surface u is equal to, from reflective surface to water surface h remains unchanged, plus apparent depth mu h. Okay, this is the object distance of human eye from the reflective surface, and it is above the mirror or reflective surface. Okay, in plane mirror, object distance and image distance are same. Therefore, image of the human eye is formed at a distance v below the reflective surface, which is same as u. But sign is opposite, therefore magnitude of v is equal to u. It is below the reflective surface. Therefore, v is equal to u, that is equal to h plus mu h below the mirror. Therefore, the image distance of the human eye after reflection when observed by fish is from fish to reflective surface h by 2. This is the medium of the observer. Therefore, we can take the actual depth, and below this distance, below the plane mirror distance v. Therefore, image distance of human eye after reflection from fish is y is equal to h by 2 plus v, that is equal to h by 2 plus h plus mu h. That is h by 2 plus h, 3 h by 2 plus mu into h. This is the equation. Okay. Now we have to find out the image positions of the fish as observed by the human eye. Here observer is human eye t. Which is at a height h from the water surface. Fish is at a depth h by 2 from water surface, and the reflective surface is at a distance h by 2 below the fish. Okay, in direct observation, that means light rays from the fish when traveling upward is observed by the human eye after refraction from water-air interface. Here observer is in rarer medium and object is in denser medium. So we know when observed from a rarer medium, apparent depth of a denser medium is less than the actual value, that is equal to real depth divided by refractive index mu. Here from water surface, real depth of the fish is h by 2. Therefore, apparent depth is equal to h by 2. Therefore, fish appears to be slightly raised from its actual position because apparent depth is less than the actual depth. This S dash is the image observed by the human eye. Therefore, image distance y is equal to, from human eye to water surface, we can take the real depth because it is the medium of the observer, plus apparent depth of the medium of the observer. So image distance y is equal to h plus h by 2. Okay, this is the distance of the human eye distance of the fish when observed from human eye after refraction. Then we have to find out the image position of the fish after reflection. Here observer is in a rarer medium, so we have to take the apparent depth of the denser medium. The fish is actually at a height h/2 from the reflective surface. So when observed from the mirror, the apparent depth of the fish is, as we already know, apparent depth of a denser medium is less than the actual depth, and that is equal to real depth by mu. So therefore that is equal to h/2 is the actual depth divided by mu. Therefore apparent position of fish is s dash, and that is at a height h/2 mu from the reflective surface. In reflective surface, it is a plane mirror. Image distance is equal to object distance. Object distance is h/2 mu. Therefore image distance is also h/2 mu below the reflective surface. Now image position is I, which is at a distance h/2 mu from the reflective surface and below it. Okay, so we have to find out the image distance from the human eye t. Distance from t to I can be taken as y. So y is equal to this h, that is from human eye to water surface. We can take the real depth because it is the medium of the observer, but for the human eye, denser medium apparent depth is less than its actual depth. Here apparent depth of water is h, so its apparent depth is h/mu. Then the distance from reflective surface to image is h/2 mu. That is equal to h plus 3h/2 mu. That is the final result. This is the distance of the image of fish after reflection, and it is measured from the human eye. In earlier case, that is the image distance of the human eye after reflection, we find out as mu h plus 3h/2. Therefore if we compare these two results, in first case y is equal to mu h plus 3h/2. Their observer is in denser medium. Therefore h is the mu h is the apparent depth of a rarer medium. In the second situation, this h becomes a medium of the observer. Therefore h remains unchanged. We can take the actual depth h. Here 3h/2, in first case 3h/2 is the actual height of a denser medium, but in the second case we have to take the apparent depth of the denser medium, that is 3h/2 mu. If one answer is given, then easily we can find out the other equation by using this principle. Instead of h, here mu h. Instead of 3h/2, here 3h/2 mu. Okay, hope you all understood the explanation. Thanks for watching.